Welcome. In front of me is a Nubia Air, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into recovery mode. So let's get started by turning off our device, and we can do so by holding the power button and selecting power off. Now when the device turns off, which you might want to give it like a couple seconds after you think it's off, but once it turns off, you want to hold power button and volume up at the same time. You will see the device starts to boot up after a moment, like right now. Keep on holding, and this will take you to the recovery mode, like this one right here. When you see this mode, you can let go of both of the buttons. Now, I do want to warn you, sometimes when you let go of these two buttons in this mode, you will see the screen disappear, just go black. And if you do, start holding these two buttons once more. What will happen sometimes, on a very random occasions, is when you're letting go of the power button, it accepts the first option selected, which is reboot system now, and basically leaves this mode and tries to go back to Android. So this, just like I said, happens when you let go of the power button, as power button is used to confirm selected options. But anyway, when we're in here, you will need to use volume buttons to navigate up and down, depending on which button you press. And power button, like I already mentioned, will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Now going over these options, we have reboot system now, takes us to Android. Reboot to bootloader and enter Fastboot mode. These are both the same, both enter Fastboot mode, though the one that is named correctly, Fastboot mode, will take you to a mode that looks like this one, with a couple options, while the reboot to bootloader, aka enter Fastboot mode, takes you to a menu-less screen where it just kind of says Fastboot mode right here at the very top, and it's cut out by the curvature or the round corners of the screen with no options. So to leave that mode, you just hold power button and volume down till it disappears. Anyway, moving further down, we have apply updates from SD card, wipe data, enter safe mode, view logs, run tests, and power off. So I'm gonna select the first option and confirm it, and like I mentioned before, this will just bring me back to Android. And there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.